Hey there, and thank you for joining us today for another review and unboxing. In this video, we're diving into the world of health and nutrition, and we've got our hands on the Etekcity nutrition scale. So if you're ready to take control of your nutrition and want a tool that can make that journey easier, stick around. Let's get this Etekcity nutrition scale review and unboxing started. Alright, let's open this up. First impressions, the packaging is really neat. They've made sure the scale is well protected during shipping. And here it is, the Etekcity nutrition scale. It's sleek, compact, and feels really sturdy. The design is modern and will fit right into any kitchen aesthetic. Now let's talk about the features. This scale is not your ordinary kitchen scale. It's a nutrition scale that provides accurate measurements and nutritional facts. It's perfect for those who are health conscious or on a specific diet. The scale displays nutritional information for up to 999 different kinds of food, helping users track their calorie intake and maintain a balanced diet. The scale is equipped with high-precision sensors that provide accurate measurements, ensuring that users can track their food intake with confidence. Tare function. This feature allows users to subtract the weight of the container and get the net weight of the ingredients. The scale has a sleek and compact design, making it easy to clean and store. It also has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to use. Smart Bluetooth connectivity. The scale can be connected to a smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing users to track their nutrition intake on their phone. Now it's time to create one of my favorite protein shakes and measure our ingredients using the Etekcity nutrition scale. Watch until the end for final calories and macro counts. But before that, I'm going to show you the quick Bluetooth connection process to your phone. First, you'll need to download the VSync app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've got that installed, open it up and create an account. Now, turn on your scale and go to the device section in the app. Click on Add Device and select Kitchen Scale. The app will start searching for the scale. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Once the scale is detected, click on Pair and voila! Your phone is now connected to your Etekcity Smart Nutrition Scale. For my protein shake base, I am going to start with some frozen mixed berries. You can tare weight your blender cup or use a container like I do in this video. Next ingredient will be the protein powder, and instructions will be the same. And there you have it, a delicious shake that's not only tasty but also packed with nutrients. Now let's break down the macros and calories. The whole shakes comes out to 603 calories. It has 36 grams of protein, 60 grams of carbohydrates, and 30 grams of fat. I am going to expand the screen and show you all the rest of the nutrition facts. And there you have it, folks. That was the Etekcity nutrition scale. A must-have for anyone who's serious about their health and nutrition. This scale is not just about weighing your food, it's about understanding what you're putting into your body. Remember, it's not just about counting calories, it's about making every calorie count. And this scale helps you do just that. It's easy to use, accurate, and the nutritional data it provides is invaluable. If you're someone who's trying to maintain a healthy diet, or perhaps you're a fitness enthusiast looking to measure your protein intake accurately, this scale is for you. So if you're interested in buying the Etekcity nutrition scale, I've put a link in the description below. Before we wrap up, if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out on any future reviews and unboxings. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.